Guys, how's it going? Thank you for stopping by. Today, it's another how-to video. If you haven't noticed, Wednesdays I like to do my how-to videos. So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a watch dial if your post has broken. A lot of these, especially in vintage watches, you get the dial out and you see that one of the posts has been broken. Sometimes both of them have been broken. They've been so oxidized inside the case or something, and they're just sheared off the dial. So a lot of watchmakers use glue to glue them back on, because if you don't have the available part and it's basically impossible to get on a new watch, you're going to use glue. But I use a special cushion, I call them, post repair cushions they call. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. We're going to flip it around and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Hopefully I could focus it right, but I just want to make sure you guys don't use glue to glue on the dial to the movement. So let's flip it around and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm using spare parts. That's why I don't have my finger cuts on, but don't get alarmed. It's just a spare Waltham Day-Date quartz dial, and this one is actually not broken, but it's oversized for the movement, so we're just going to pretend that one of these two posts is broken on there. You can see this one has the two of them. So these are the stickers I use whenever that happens. I get these ordered from England. I just buy them on eBay. If you just type in post repair stickers, and these will pop up right away. So this is what I use, and the brown part, it's just to cover the adhesive, but once you take the brown part off, if you could see here, I took two off and I placed them in the watch. So it's going to be a little bit difficult for you to see, but there's one here and there's one here. If it would be a real repair, I would try to put another one just about here. So once these are installed, and like I said, I'm standing up, guys, so don't mind me. I'm not doing this perfectly. It's just spare parts. I'm going to try to hit the middle of the watch, and I'm not going to be able to do it from up here. I'm standing up, actually. So I'm going to put it on, and I'll show you guys how it sticks on. So there you go, guys. It's stuck on there right now. And the movement is not going nowhere. I could shake it, I could move it, and it's just spare parts. I just wanted to show you, it's a top plate, spare plate, and a spare dial. So once you use these, it's better than using glue. I know a lot of people are tempted to use glue if the post has broken, but there is a method. Glue in watchmaking, it's a big no-no, guys. So if you're just learning, if you're just getting into it, avoid glue. It will cost you lots of problems in the future. Glue, it's very hard to put in one single spot. It's going to run. It's going to detain something else. So, guys, get yourself some of these. This is the back part. It doesn't give any information. I will put the exact name on the description. So if you guys are interested in the exact name of the adhesive, I will put it on the description. But there is a method for fixing broken posts on vintage watches, which does happen. Here's another spare dial, and this one's complete, but I get them a lot with broken posts, and some of these odd brands that you can't get a dial for them. So there is a repair for them, guys. Guys, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it. I'm going to try to do my how-to videos on Wednesdays, but if it gets a little bit hard or I run out of ideas, I'll do something else. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. And your input is always appreciated. I have a few suggestions, which I am going to do. I'm going to regulate a watch for next Wednesday. I'm going to show you guys how to take rusted pins out of the cases. So I'll show you guys how to do a few things. Thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.